Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials: an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription and your Microsoft account signed into Windows. Once done, update Windows to the latest build and sign into the Xbox app or open Edge/Chrome. Next, connect a controller or enable keyboard/mouse mapping. This matters because cloud input latency depends on device choice. Make sure your network meets the speed target. Aim for 10 Mbps or higher, and prefer a wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for stability. Now configure network and app settings so streaming is smooth. First, switch your PC to wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and enable RouterCo S to prioritize gaming traffic. Then open the Xbox app or go to Xbox.com/play, sign in, and accept permissions for input and audio. In the app streaming options, choose balanced for medium connections or high if you have 20 Mbps plus. Also enable low latency mode if available. Doing this reduces input lag and improves frame pacing. Finally, launch a cloud title from the Xbox app or browser and check responsiveness. You should test a few minutes to evaluate input lag and visual quality. Make sure background apps are closed, enable Windows Game Mode, and keep GPU drivers current to reduce system overhead. If you experience stuttering or disconnects, reboot your router, plug in via Ethernet, or lower streaming quality in the app. One key troubleshooting tip: switching from Wi-Fi to wired often resolves most latency and dropout problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.